Hey guys, my first video. Today we're talking about the Pro Cut. This is the Model 22. Big heavy duty cast iron, big heavy duty everything. Even the tray's enormous. We don't use the tray. Slows us down. Real sturdy. Made of stainless steel. You notice we also don't have the guard on there. Well, no one's going to recommend that, so don't do that. This roast weighs 20 pounds, so I just want to show the whole thing beginning to end, how good this machine works. How fast will this machine take 20 pounds? So let's just watch this video. You guys will get the raw footage, literally. No pun intended, huh? Sorry about my house. It's kind of a disaster right now. In between housekeepers. God knows I ain't gonna clean the place, you know what I'm saying? So turn this thing on. Alright, well, maybe I overshot it a little bit there. Yeah, there we go. 20 pounds of fresh dog food. Thanks for watching.